In maths here, especially with the IB curriculum, we really want to develop students' contextual understanding of maths. We do have various opportunities for students to get involved in these challenges. We do encourage our students to enter various competitions run by universities from around the world. So we have the American Maths Challenge, University of Waterloo, and we're going to be starting the University of Cambridge UK Maths Challenges as well. This year we've had a few students reach distinction, which is only handed out to the top 5 to 10% of scores globally. Try and include those challenges as part of our regular math lessons, so students have exposure to problem solving beyond the curriculum. What we try and do in maths at TIS, they can take those problem solving skills, that lateral thinking that we try and embed here, that provides them with the success they need in later life and whatever they choose to do after school and after college.
Knowledge knows no bounds.